Hi guys, I'm Cebuano language teacher. I'm here to teach you Cebuano the easiest way possible. You'll learn to speak like a native in the shortest possible time. So like and subscribe. Thank you! Mayong buntag! So today we're going to study about Cebuano Sentence Pattern 3. Let's study these examples. We see a picture here of Tom Cruise, and beside that there's a sentence that goes, Guwapo ang tao. Underneath that there is a translation of guwapo, which is handsome, and tao, which is man or person. Then there's another picture. It says, Dako ang simbahan. Again, there is a translation of the word dako, which is big, and simbahan, which is church. Here are more examples. There's a soup, and the sentence goes, Init ang sabaw. Init means hot, and sabaw means soup. And below that, tamis ang cake. Tamis means sweet, and cake is cake. Cake has been adopted in Bisaya because of the frequency that it has been used. However, the pronunciation has been, shall we say, localized. Let's try to formulate the pattern now. So what kind of words do the sentences begin with? They are describing words or adjectives. What comes after them? It's the marker ang. And what comes after the marker ang? It's the topic or the subject of the sentence. In other words, what the sentence is all about. Is it singular subject or plural subject? Since it's only single, so therefore it is a singular subject. Is the subject a person's name? No. So can we form the pattern now? So here's the pattern. Adjective or describing word plus marker ang plus non-personal singular subject. Can you supply what is missing? There's a picture of a handsome person and the sentence goes, guapo, and then there are 3 empty spaces or empty blanks, tao. Can you supply that? What word is missing here? And then below that, there's another picture which says guapa blank bai. So there are actually 3 blank spaces uh, that is that should be filled with 3 letters. How about this? What are the missing words? So there are 4 blank lines which should be filled with 4 letters. Ang kapi. Kapi means coffee. I suppose you know that already. And blank, a word that is that means sweet in English. Blank ang donut. Well, there should just be 1 donut. However, there are plenty of donuts there, so let's assume there's only 1 donut. So blank ang donut. Here are more adjectives you can use. Cold, bugnaw, small, gamay, slow, hinay, fast, paspas, delicious, lami, sharp, hait, shiny, sinaw, nice for objects, nindot. I hope you'll be able to use these adjectives and use them to describe an object, not a personal name. Remember that, guys. Cebuano Sentence Pattern 4 coming soon. Kung giganahan ka ini nga video, palihog ko og like ug subscribe sab.